Today's topic: will a travel agent debunk the 24-hour Antarctica Sun? Let's start. Vi tar om den igen. Today I will have a look at a video I found at the flatearthbanjo's channel. The title of it is Travel Agent, There's No 24-Hour Sun in Antarctica. It's not a video made by Banjo. He have found it, I think, on TikTok. So let's look at this. Will the travel agent prove that is not the 24-hour sun?
Quality Expeditions, Citizen speaking. How can I help you?
Yes, sir. I'm looking at taking a trip out to the Arctic. Is this the right number to call for the Arctic?
Yeah, sure. Perfect. That's great stuff.
My-
With the Arctic, are you looking to go to Greenland, Spitsbergen? Is there any specific itinerary that you're interested in?
Well, yeah, here's what I'm interested in, and I'm sure you could probably help me. I'm really not sure about the location, and the reason why is I want the best location and the best time of the year to where I can view the 24-hour sun.
Can you help me out as far as where at and what time of the year?
Yeah, sure. So basically, this would normally be opting for around June, July.
Okay.
And basically, with the sun, there is an itinerary that we have, which is called Spitsbergen photography under the midnight sun.
Okay.
So that is one of the itineraries that would be basically with the best views as well as the time frame. So within June, July would be the summertime period in the Arctic, which would be the best ideal time to actually go. And this particular itinerary itself is basically for under the midnight sun, which is a very famous expedition that a lot of our clients do actually opt for as well.
Okay, now is that, just to be clear, that's where you can visibly see the sun for 24 hours, or is it just sunlight?
So it's basically just, it's under the midnight sun would be in particular for the 24 hours.
So but you can see the sun for 24 hours, correct?
Under the midnight sun.
Yeah, I think you cut out for a second. My question is, like, I can see the light from the sun for 24 hours, or the actual sun is visible for 24 hours, just to make sure.
So I think it would be for the 24 hours to see the sun in particular, but I can definitely find more information out with regards to that. But yeah, that obviously alters based on what it is. But I know for this particular expedition, it is stated for under the midnight sun in particular. But I can definitely find out some more information on exactly on what it is about. I do know the itinerary, what it is and where it goes. It's just that obviously with under the midnight sun, I'm not 100% sure if it would be a full 24 hours that you'd actually see the sun.
This travel agent is a real professional. This is filmed from Tromsø in northern Norway, and it's taken in the beginning of the midnight sun season. And how do this prove Arctic sun in the north? Wait. This is a line against the sun from the location it was filmed, and it's 280 degrees to the sun. You can use the northern tip of these islands as a reference. Let's compare. And on a screen capture from the video, here you have the northern tip of that island. And as you see, the sky is quite high up. It will never go under the horizon. So this travel agent don't know anything regarding 24-hour sun.
Okay, and do you guys
So I
do?
can definitely find that information.
Yeah, do you guys also do the Antarctica, or is this just Arctic?
No, we actually do Antarctica as well. And Antarctica, we go basically to the peninsula and back. and they may also have any basically additional itineraries that does actually go with that. So we normally go to South Georgia as well, Falkland, South Georgia, and we also cross the circle as well. So yeah, we do go to Antarctica as well.
Now, do they have in Antarctica? Do they have the midnight sun under the midnight sun tours on that one as well?
No, unfortunately not. So that tour doesn't basically operate for Antarctica. It's mostly more of a cold time over there. And over there it would basically be where our itineraries would run from November up until March. And in this time period we don't have that particular one what we do offer.
So the answer he gets is that they are in this area. But he say that they passes the circle. I assume he meant the Arctic Circle, but they are in an area where you don't have the midnight sun for a very long time.
So you wouldn't be on the Antarctica one. You're not guaranteed to see the 24-hour sun on that one.
No, you won't find that in Antarctica, unfortunately. Only in the Arctic.
Why do you? What would
Antarctica? It's most likely just to be where we would have our penguins, and you will see your wildlife with your walruses and things like that. And obviously to cross the circle, which would be the 60-degree point. But when it comes to the midnight sun, you'll only find that in the Arctic.
What would be the reason? Why can't you find it in the Antarctica? Just curiosity.
So normally because of the sun that basically goes up and north, and because Antarctica is basically in the southern point of the continent, and when you discover the seventh continent, the sun literally does only come out a very small part throughout the day, where it's mostly about cloudy and rainy and very cold, where in the Arctic you'll get a much more amount of hours of sunlight, and basically in the Canadian Arctic it will be much more ideal, and because of the time frames and the weather conditions down south, you won't be able to actually get a full 24 hours of sunlight. It's very, very seldom where you'll find that in Antarctica.
Wait, what did he say in the end there?
Down south, you won't be able to actually get a full 24 hours of sunlight. It's very, very seldom where you'll find that in Antarctica.
So the travel agent debunked this flat earth nonsense. He agreed that it's possible to see 24-hour sun at Antarctica. He was talking about their location and the weather conditions, which made it hard to see the 24-hour sun. So, typical flat earth banjo, he published somebody else's video and didn't check it at all, or perhaps he's too stupid to understand that this video debunks the flat earth. That was all I had for you this time. I will be back soon. Have a nice day. See you. Bye.